What's up, YouTube? Doing an oil change on my turbo truck. Don't mind this messy wire. I gotta fix this out sometime, but I need to do an oil change, touch up everything, make sure everything nice and neat. And when I say touch up, like cut little stuff like this off, and yeah. Anyway, this is the oil I'm going to be running, 5W30. I got 8 quarts I'm gonna run, and yeah. All right, guys, it's real clean under here. Really clean, nice and clean, everything. Hopefully I got the right socket. Should be a half. Nope. Should be this size. Nope. Should be this size. Hell no. All right, guys, so we got the right size, as y'all can see. Finna get my bucket. I don't know. Yeah, this oil dirty as hell. She gonna need it. Of course I would make a mess. She dark. Let someone do my oil filter. Hey guys, so I'm finna put this oil in this filter and then fill her up. All right, guys, we got it nice and lubed up on the top and some oil in. All right, guys, so right about now, I'm finna add some oil in this bad boy. I'm finna order some clamps. I want them T style clamps. These been holding up. I'm surprised. I was having an issue where the thing would just blow off, but I ain't having that issue now. I want to clean up this wiring sometime, and probably get a gold diaper, go back on here and go from there. Thought about taking this off and painting it, but I'm gonna leave it as is. All right, guys, so we finally got everything nice and put back together. So that would be it. Right now, I am taking off these running board mount plates. Probably reuse these for something. So I'm planning on dropping this truck and stuff. So I'm gonna see what I need to do to drop this bad boy. But I first need to see what wheels I want to put on here for this color combo. Anyway, guys, we will see. But man, she is looking gorgeous. But yeah, we might need a satisfied.